Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the use of AND, OR and NOT operators. So let's see what is AND operator. So the AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. Here is the syntax of AND operator. Select column 1, column 2 and so on from the table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3 and so on. Let's quickly see in SQL Server how we can do that. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. We have created multiple tables during this tutorial. Let's select customers, drag and drop here and write the query, select a star from customers. Let's see how many records we have here and then we will apply the AND operator. I want the data from the customer table where customer name is Mohan and who belongs to New Delhi. This is our record. Let's put the condition here where customer name equal to Mohan and in city I want the city New Delhi. Just copy paste here or you can just write down the city name here and then as we have AND operator here, now both conditions should be matched, otherwise it will not display the record. Let's execute it. We can see that the data is present here now with Mohan and city name is New Delhi. Let's put some other details here. Let's put Kanpur and then try to search it, execute. As we don't have the data related to Kanpur as a city, that's why. So just select a star from here and then execute both the query and you can see that the result is empty because we don't have matching records in the table. We don't have Kanpur anywhere in the city. So this is how we can do the AND operator. Let's quickly see other operator here. OR operator displays a record if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. Here is the syntax of it. So there is no difference between AND and OR operator. Just the use of OR, you can put the condition and then the query will execute in that way. Let's quickly go to the query and then just copy paste here and instead of AND just put OR. Let's quickly run it. So it is saying either customer name or city. One of them is true, the result will come out. Just select the query and execute it. You can see that we don't have matching record with the Kanpur as a city, but we have Mohan as a customer name into the table. So two places, two record we received, right? Now, if you select this query and then see, here we have Mohan, means we have 7 records, out of that only 2 records related to Mohan. So that's why we received Mohan as a 2 record. Just execute it again and then you can see that the data is here. Even you can specify any city here. If you are specifying the correct city, then let's do it one more change here. Select star from here and then choose this time New Delhi. Or not New Delhi, because New Delhi if you choose, it will again fetch 2 records only. See, now select a star from here and then choose some other city. So that means this will come even, let me write it, Redmond and then select it. You can see that matching records, Mohan is the customer name is coming as well as wherever city name is Redmond, it is coming. So this is how we can use OR operator. Let's quickly see in NOT operator. What is the use of that? The NOT operator displays a record its condition is not true. Here we just need to put the NOT condition. So this is different from OR and AND operator. Here we need to specify where NOT and the condition. Let's see in our SQL Server. Just select it and paste the query here and remove this portion, as we want only NOT. Okay, just remove it. And then as it is saying NOT, that means I have selected the record from the customer table where customer name not equal to Mohan. Just select it and execute this query, and you can see that in the customer name column we don't have Mohan. So this is how we can use AND, OR and NOT operator. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.